Yeah, it's the people that are going through stages of life with mental problems. I'm part of it myself, but sometimes prison's better. Listen to my story, yeah. You got some decent people in those fucking livable things. Listen to this beat, it's just the truth. Like Teresa, Francis, Daz, Beth and Stephanie, where they got hearts in their minds. And Andy, listen to the beat, yeah, it's about the Willow story. Willow's PQ in Rockpool World, Nottinghamshire. I didn't get on well. Now I know the reasons why they did shit. Other places did more shit to me. People don't think they can abuse me, or mentally, physically and sickly abuse me. Well, I don't understand why people get away with it now. I understand but people do care, like their job's worth. Yeah, I know that I mean I can name those people again, like it's just a glory, but it's the truth, man. I'll mention their names again. Teresa, Francis, Alice, I know again. Teresa, I love you so much. You just like my mum in a way because you got me back on track. I'm sorry for setting myself on fire that day. I know your pain, yeah, will never go away. But the only thing is, I got respect for you, Daz. You used to give me a roll up when I was on my ass. But thank you for helping me getting it through it. I know some days, like, some people know it. Just like some dicks, just like that fucking Michael that's in the boot on the 11th of February. Oh, whoa, that's tomorrow, it's that. Never understood why. All these motherfucking villains don't understand why. When I smoke in a spliff, thinking of the women back in the day, well, nah, not with it. I know Teresa, I know you love me like a son and I love you like a mum too. Listen to me now, Sharon, you're the bee's knees wax and I can't get off my knees when I look at you. I got no love for the dreads, I love your dreads, yeah. They make me tingle instead with your dreads, yeah. Corner batata, like a Rastafari, I got nothing. All the days when you're looking instead, yeah, you see the people that care about you in the hood, care about you in there. You got some pricks, but honestly, I'd rather be in hospital or prison war instead. I couldn't go through that shit ever again. Nah, 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 nah. I big it up to you, Teresa. Teresa. Daz and the Willows crew, apart from the dicks that I ate. Bye.